I was scared.
You look like Kante. You know the Ken Muller or Chelsea.
Bro, this guy you look like under the bed.
On you, bro. He's a legend, though. He's a legend. He's a legend himself.
Bro.
Yo, one more minute, yo. Let's go crazy.
Your brother look like under the bed.
Damn, this guy's roasting you. Wallahi, can't come so. Wallahi, he's roasting you. Wallahi. Lil Baliil. He's roasting you. He's roasting you. Good talk.
What the heck,
hey,
bro?
Can't watch it.
What the? Wallahi billah. Bro, are you Somali?
No, I'm not Somali.
Oh my God, Mo Qadr. Legend, wallahi. Legend. Mo Qadr. Everyone go follow Mo Qadr right now. Right now. Right now. Hamza, what do you got to say?
Bro, I'm scared of this guy. Can you tell him go?
Go, Khabi, go, please.
I'm scared of him.
Tell him, give him tips to like be like me. Like I need. Lil Baliil أود عينه سوق إلهي يو Lil Baliil دد أو كعسن إلهي لايف كيسا أوصل قليو إلهي يو Lil Baliil ناق أو حق بدناسيو آمين.
Bro, wait. I mean في إنجليز محل ودها.
آمين.
No. I mean في إنجليز محل ودها ويدو عيسى.
You don't want to say the other one. Hell no. 3, 2, 1, come on, yeah. Amina. Okay,
now I'm free.
Okay, wallahi, guys, wallahi, he's smart. He made us talk the last minute. Let's go, yeah. Let's go, guys. 5K. Hendrix, wallahi, you tried your best. Legend, wallahi. Hendrix, what a legend you are, wallahi. Mo Qadr. Legend, wallahi. Mo Hendrix, legend, bro. Legend, wallahi. Guys, let's go crazy.
Bro, let's
go.
Tell you, I was talking with him, yeah?
Which one?
This guy. I was talking with you, yeah?
No, this guy knows how to take jokes.
I know.
This guy will roast him.
كفتن لعيالك حافظه, okay?
He knows.
Yeah.
He knows.
That's right.
He knows, man. No hard feelings. No hard feelings.
guys. صعدة أدربتي.
I get out of my room now. I'm get banned. You guys are ugly. Ugly. You guys are ugly. Life color حرام. You guys are ugly. Life color حرام. Get out. Guys. What up?
Hana Hassan so wow. This guy how good you.
Hana Hassan. Look. Yo, Hana Hassan. Guess kick him out. Won't عيننا إلى yo. You know, give it away, right? إلى ننحوك بدن آسيا or like شلع سنين. I mean, like now weak, strong. Like now weak. ننشلع موها. Oh my God. Umar, legend, wallah, legend. Let's get it. Asna, thank you very much, wallah. Let's go. Umar Tolman, let's go. Amino, Mer, thank you very much. 5K, yeah, 5,000. We got 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Keep tapping the screen, share. What? I don't know what. Lil Baliil, you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? That kasta la ciyaara like you will get weekly ranking mo bageli.
You know why?
Because Somali la ciyaara, right? Adag la ciyaara, why? Like
the time.
Oh, is the time?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense then. So Lil Baliil, so when is your next song coming out?
I don't know, bro.
You don't know? Not yet?
I don't know, bro.
Are you working on one right now?
I don't want to say it.
Oh, so it's private, huh? It's like a little surprise. Like,
yeah. Yeah,
okay,
because I got a lot of songs. I need to choose which one, you know.
Well,
so,
I feel
so, I don't know. What I got is so
guys, everybody share the live. Click, share the live. Everything, guys. Share the live, everything. So it was behind. Nothing. Oh, you scared me a lot. Guys. Another guy. Walahi, yeah, one more minute. Let's go.
Ayub Carlo. Dhawaaqaas ma taqaan dhawaaqaas maxaa waay? Maxaa waay?
Ma geena maxaa waay?
Dhawaaqaas maxaa waay?
Ayub Carlo ku soo galay meesha. Khadka xunda. He's gonna know.
Qadka xun.
Guys, 1,000, let's go. Walahi. I mean, 4 more thousand. We reached 1,000. Let's get it, y'all. Somali, let's get it. Let's go.
Somali. Abo. Muhammad, my brother.
We got one more minute.
5,000 aku badina ciyaalka xaafadda kulina.
Let's go. One more minute, y'all. One more minute.
Aye.
Hi, 49 seconds, y'all. 49 seconds.
Aye. Muhammad Mahmoud.
30 seconds, Wallahi. 30 seconds. 5,000, y'all. Let's go crazy, Wallahi. Let's go crazy. 30 seconds, y'all. 30 seconds. Oh my God, Khadir, thank you very much. Diarad or motorcycle. Motorcycle, best of only motorcycle. Just send one motor, it's over. Just one motor. Just one motor, yeah, one motor. Oh my days, man. Hamda, thank you very much. Let's go crazy, Wallah. Let's go crazy. 10, 9. Hey, come on, yeah. 4, 3. Oh my God, you got so lucky. Oh
guys,
my days.
Muhammad Mahmoud waa dadaasheen laakiin 5,000 ala iska rabaa. Without 5,000.
Thank you very much. Let's get it. Mara, one day is it possible for you to come to UK? Inshallah, I will. Inshallah.
They want you to go to UK?
Yeah. Inshallah, I'm come to UK.
And then what you gonna do?
I'm gonna perform. You did not know I rap? I rap.
Why don't you do it now?
You did not know that?
I will sign you.
So, are you gonna sign me? It's like I already have DDG's business owner hitting me up.
Come on, bro. Do it.
No. You remember, it's money, bro. You know, it's personal, like you said. Come on. So
I like
mine is 3K, you know, 3K. Mine is small. I'm not on your level yet. But
guys,
I'm gonna get there.
aniga ciyaalka xaafadda
Let's
ahay.
get it.
Ciyaalka xaafadda. Soo socda, guys.
4 minutes.
Cunugan oo garka orgiga laha miiska noo saaran. Orgi ma taqaanaa?
Legend am meesha ku jiro wallahi. Abshir, do your thing. Maxaa
orgi ma taqaanaa orgi?
Oregon, yeah, is the state in America.
Orgi ma taqaanaa? Orgi.
Huh?
Orgi.
Orgi mo Oregon de. A'udhu billah. Oregon de.
Orgi ma taqaanid?
Oregon. It's not orgi. What? Will you mama the Oregon?
Adi orgi aad tahay wallahi.
State. Adi ana maxaa Alaska message joogate. Adi Germany.
ciyaarta English xamaasad kuma laha. Anaa idin sheegaya isweefo af Soomaali hadda rabtin inuu ku hadlo 5,000 aa ka badino. Caawo dhan Soomaali ma balanaan ka qaado waa.
Go. Oh, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys. Yo, 3 more minutes, yeah. 3 more minutes. Let's go. Nika, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, Lil Baliil, I got a diamond tester, man.
Bro, do you want me to take my bag?
What do you mean?
I got a whole bag, bro.
Nah, I'm good.
Bro,
I'm just playing. Let's.
Yeah.
Are you from Encourage? Yup, Abshir Jama. Legend, wallah, Abshir Jama. Legend. I'm from there. Firi, kya? Bombafu, muxuu ahaa? Taaqitaaq waa bombafu.
Wani mujinga. وين مجينجا
Oh, wait, I didn't, bro. I heard that name before. Hoya tells me that. Mujinga, Muzungu wewe.
Yes, I am Mzungu. Do you even know what Mzungu means?
No, it's idol.
Mzungu is a white man.
Then why do people have so iron then?
Mkundu da Mkundu. When Mkundu
What is Mukundu then?
Mkundu.
Yeah, what is it? Oh, 1 minute, 40 seconds. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Lil Baliil is nothing, y'all. He's weak.
Bro, I don't know what's going on tonight, bro. عيالك حافتهم ويجيفانو.
Wallah. Wait, what time is it for you right now? What time is it for you?
1.
Oh yeah, Africa did already west side.
Middle of the night, bro. It's midnight.
Yeah, here it's only 3 for us here. 3:14.
فيري أنا كل شيء قاعد أفتح في صوماليا أخبرها صحاوي.
That's good.
قاعد
Huh?
قاعد ملقعات متقنة ملقعات.
Malgad, no. What is it?
قاعدة متقنة.
Yeah, I know Qado.
قاعدة ملقعة اللي ما هنو.
So wait, so ini kan malgad hadin. You say malgad.
No, it's the same thing. متكلم أخبرها فيري.
Hey.
فرة متقنة فرة.
Furaha.
ناكتي وفرة متقنة.
Yeah, not to wait for the one for it. Yeah.
وهي فرة يوفر محاسوب كان مرك.
No, I know the word. Wait for the. Wait. I had to for the. Like I had that for the one for the. You know, it's like both of us. You know, it's whoever like. 10, yo, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, yeah. 7, 6, 5. Maya, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying like in America, it's like different, you know? Congrats. But yeah, in America, like get what I do for the way for the. I did that for the, you know?
قبل هدي فرت واقو فرت. هذه ولي قبل وفرة.
William, mate. Oh my God,
أبشر بانجا وأقول جل
Jama.
no أبشروا.
أبشر جامع legend والله. أبشر جامع كنحي. Oh my. adiga waa furtay iyada waa lagu furay. Yeah.
هذه ولي قبل وفرة.
I'm really, what do you call it? I'm still bikro. Oh my God, Abshir, legend, wallah, legend. Abshir, legend, wallah. Oh my days. Everyone go follow Abshir right now. Everyone follow Abshir right now. Follow Abshir right now. Yeah, right now. Follow Abshir right now.
أبشر عيارته حقا نجنو.
No, Abshir, destroy. No Naharis. Abshir Naharis. He doesn't know Naharis. No Naharis one. I'm not getting Naharis. Wallah. Abshir, everyone go follow Abshir right now. Yo, Abshir, let me make you my moderator, man. You're a legend, wallah. Legend. Legend, wallah. If you so, you're the legend. VIP. I gotta give you that VIP seat. Abshir, VIP seat.
فري ليل بليل مالك سو قرنيها. سو كالد صف لسادي. أبو اسكو مرة بحنا صبح مرتبه. فري ليل بليل مالك سو قرن وشك فري ليل بليل.
فري ليل بليل سو قرن.
أنت معها كوميتيات كلا تجي فري ليل.
Abshir, take the mod, man. You're a legend, wallah. 5K, y'all. 3 minutes left. Let's go crazy. Don't let the 3,000 waste. 3,000 man, halavin. 5,000 kadiga. Huh?
أنا قاعد عاون ربحنا ربي إنا كو عمرنا ربي إنا إذا راح يا ربي إنا إنك قصني يا ربي سؤاله ويدير ربي وعلم
ورا تماندا ما تقنا
Commando, yeah, the game Nico Commando, we know
وقام اسكو يلي ور كوماندا ما
Commando why he left his wife. What do you know? Kala Ki'is.
Did they really say ask him why you left his wife?
Yeah, someone asked that. I don't know, what does that mean?
Bro, I don't know.
You left your wife?
These people. Bro, listen. Why the fuck did they care? Why do they care?
I have no idea. The comments said it.
Bro, these people are crazy, bro.
Some
Your
of them,
people.
they come in
waxaa
with
weydiisaa asaga waxaa weydiisaa
Qadim waa.
aabbaha hooyada muxuu uga tegay dheh
these kids watching. Let's stay positive. These guys, they're minding.
bro
They
doqomo
like
waayo
going
no
to people's business. They like going to people's business. You know?
aaway soo dhawaada anakoo badanaa joogna meeshan ciyaalka xaafadda kulligeen waa buuxnaa abshir baanka caawa naga soo horjeedaa laakiinse waa isku dul qaadanaynaa
Stay in. Mufiri, محل ودي ناق عدال ما تحش من ناق مذوب.
walaasha aan jeclahay ku dheh
Alright guys, you got that's the answer. That's the answer.
yeah soo socda
Bro, so guys, 5,000 wallahi Lil Baliil today like
Wallahi
mar
ciyaarta
isu
xalada
no.
yeelatay
Mar
dadka
Isa.
baa kuu sheegay.
ha hadday ciyaarta dadka xararad u yeeli lahaayeen ani ciyaarta waa qasi lahay waa ogtahay no
Ee
jimla
maxaa
ku ridi lahaa
No,
maxay
because you
idinka
came in
qalbantay?
late.
Waxaad ugu kalifteen in ubax soo diray inta qolka kala tagay.
yeah
That's called way chief on, right?
bay
Yeah,
dadkayga
it's
ma
too late. It's
jiifaan
too late.
dadkayga ma jiifaan laakiin dagaal kale ku jiraan
Yeah. Because everyone is live. Everyone is live right now. Everyone is live.
yeah
4,000. Yeah. 4,000.
dadkayga
One moment. Oh
kuwa
my days. Abshir Jama.
kuwa
With the
oo
oh
listiga
my.
iigu jirana kuwa listiga iigu jirana they don't even waraa fiiri adiga kuwa daawanaya listi iigu jira ciyaarta xararad ah u yeelanaya lifeyaasha
Wait, ما قدر أقول جرا.
free lil bil soo qorade
Baliil more like it's not about ما قدر down. It's about قف كود قال منا, you know. أنا أبشر إيجوجا. أبشر إيجوجا. I feel safe.
bro listen swevo
Yeah.
dadku waxay ku dhahoyaan commentiga ha akhrinin ma fahante
Don't ever.
no wait bro listen bro swevo feel free do whatever you like read the
No,
comments
it's not that. It's not that. Firi, Lil
No,
Baliil, you're
I
right.
see.
It's
No,
like,
wait.
you know, sometimes.
Wait,
Faan
bro.
horta waraa.
Wait, wax fahan. I see some niggas inta ii soo qorayaan tell Swevo don't read the comments. That's why dadkan kale inay la dheelaan ma jecla all this. Bro, listen. Read the comments. I don't care what they say, bro. Read the comments. Enjoy your life. Feel free. Timeka life-ka ku jirta qaado. Enjoy, bro. Qofki comment kuu soo qora akhri. Even if it says something bad about me, you don't have to care, bro.
What is
Because
that win?
what the
No,
heck?
Lil
How the
Baliil,
hell
you
did
know
I
what is
win?
it? No, I won by 7,000.
Yeah, but-
Abshir, the GOAT, wallah. Abshir.
But
No,
on
Lil
my
Baliil,
life,
it's
I
like
saw
this
that I
Firi.
win.
Lil Baliil, it's like some people are gonna say bad things, you know, like.
Yeah, bro.
Maybe
That's
you're
why I
right.
said
But
enjoy.
sometimes, you know, like you're gonna look at like without thinking, you know, sometimes, you know.
No, it's
You're
okay,
gonna try
bro.
to read it. No,
I
you're
don't
gonna
mind,
read it
bro.
and it's gonna be loud, you know.